guys, welcome to day 2 of this video. Yes, on the second day I am uploading my brow tutorial because I do have millions of questions forever and ever and ever and ever and ever where you guys wanted to see my brows, and like you had questions on how I felt my brows out and all those stuff. So I just wanted to answer all those questions in this video, and unfortunately I don't really talk a lot when I'm doing my brows because I really want to be concentrated. So in this intro I'm kind of answering few of those questions I hear all the time for my brows. First off, my brow hair is not very thick, or neither my brows very thick. My brows are actually inherited from my dad, and he doesn't really have a lot of brow hair, unfortunately. So my brows, people say, are exactly like my dad's. So I love these because that's obviously from my dad, but I hate it in a way because I like more thicker brows, like more kind of bushy brows. I wish I got my mom's because he has beautiful brows, but however, it is what it is. So yeah, my dad inherited me all these brows I have, and I want to have like a little, you know, defined, kind of nicer looking brows. So for that, I definitely fill out my brows almost every single day when I'm going out. I don't go out without my brows done, at least, because I feel naked otherwise. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a big thumbs up and join my little family online here. And yeah. So let's start with the eyebrows. Of course, as you can see, I have my other brow done off camera, and for this one I'm actually using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade, and the shade is deep brown or dark brown. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush. I forgot the number, I'm sorry about that. So as you can see here, I'm actually doing like hair-like strokes, really small strokes, not going like crazy. I have a little amount of product on the brush, and I'm just mimicking the natural brow hair. And as you can see at the beginning, like where my brow starts, I just drew a little bit of line under like where my brow starts, and then I'm blending it up using the spoolie brush. So as I keep saying, like using a less amount of product, it's all because otherwise you will end up having like sharpie brows, which none of us definitely want. So as you can see, I'm using the brush, and I'm not dipping my brush for the second time. I am still using the product I actually had on the brush and just using it all over for my brow. So I'm just slightly like pretending to have like you know, like mimicking my actual brow hair, and I'm just dragging it down toward my brow tail where I want my tail to be. So I don't usually drag it way too further than where my natural brow is, and where it begins and where it ends. It's all because I feel otherwise it feels like I'm wearing, like, you know, it looks fake. As you can see, I have a little sparse area right here, so I'm just trying to mimic some brow hairs right there just to make it feel more fuller. And going to the same direction gives me a little nicer vibe. I'm not a big fan of those feathery brows, or however different kind of brows are coming out, like fishtail brow, feathery brow, like whatever is coming out. I feel that's crazy. I'm never gonna try that out because I am not comfortable doing so. So I think I'm pretty good with what I have at the moment, and then I'm actually gonna fill out the sparse area again using the Make Me brow gel. Is it a brow gel? Is it an eyebrow gel mascara? And this is by the company Essence, and the shade I have, what is it called? It's number 2 Brownie Brows. So then you take the thing and just clear it up, and take your mirror close to you and just brush it upward. So if this one actually gives you that bushy kind of brow feeling. And now if you want, you can do your cleanup at the same time, you can even do your brow gel. I usually do the gel first. That's how I personally prefer doing that. So I'm using the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara as well, just because why not? And the whole, I like the way this holds the brow though. So I'm just going to brush it the same direction. Then I'll just take a little angled brush, like an angled flat brush, and you can use your concealer or anything. I just like using the Anastasia foundation for it, just because I like the consistency. So just take it on your brush and then just clean up wherever you think you messed up. If you want to clean up upward, you can do that one as well. A million years and 1,000 steps, my brows are finally done. So yeah, I know you guys had a lot of questions on how did I do my brows, so hope this answers all your questions. Don't forget to comment for tomorrow's video, and take care till then.